What you eating, Meredith?
Making it out to be a big deal.
Okay, and it's time.
Oh, the fun's all over.
Will you lower the TV, Daddy?
Sure.
What are you eating cupcakes for?
My birthday. It's my birthday tomorrow.
No way. What day's your birthday?
Tomorrow.
What's the date?
July 6th.
Yeah. How old are you gonna be? 3?
6.
6.
6, Mommy. It's 6.
It's 6?
Yes.
What did you get so far for your birthday?
Oh, I got a Polly Pocket for the boy, and his clothes, and a bowl, and some cheers for the bowl.
No way. What else did you get?
I got some more plus.
What else did you get?
Sprocket.
Yeah.
You're my beautiful present, Sprocket. You're my early present. You booby, booby, booby. That's who's starting Sprocket.
So funny. Where are you going tomorrow?
Oh, I'm going to see a movie, and it's Kit.
It is?
Yeah.
Who's Kit?
Oh, it's my American Girl doll.
It is?
Yeah.
What else? What are you get? What kind of birthday dinner are you gonna have?
What?
What kind of birthday dinner are you gonna have?
What birthday cake?
No, dinner.
I don't know.
You gonna have
sushi?
Yeah. Sushi? What kind of cake are you gonna have?
Oh, a chocolate one with strawberry on the outside.
And what about in between the 2 layers of cake?
Yeah, the 2 layers in that.
What kind of icing?
La pa pa pa.
Love you, babe.
I love you too, Mommy. Dream on, baby.